Norfolk Public Schools invited legislators who serve the city to see firsthand what happens in our schools during the annual Take Your Legislator to School Day. This event provides an opportunity for lawmakers to visit schools to learn about their needs and how government policies are affecting them on a daily basis. After the tours, everyone gathered at Sherwood Forest Elementary to hear about and discuss the division's legislative agenda.
It's incredibly important for our legislators to hear directly from the people that they represent. And they get a lot of different people in their ear kind of competing for their time and priorities. And for them to hear directly from school board members, from principals, even from teachers and students on what's happening and the laws how that's really impacting them, that's important for them to hear.
I think it went wonderfully. It's very inviting, good presentation. We want to get our delegates and senators in the community to really see what is going on at our schools. And so when they are enriching in January, they can advocate for us.
What I got today was a better understanding of not only the legislative things, but the things that are happening at the Department of Education, that we can be really good sort of liaisons and give the great anecdotals to support for as we roll into this next session of how we can do better supporting our schools.